Chloe liked the fact that Charlie's method for solving inequalities did not involve guess and check. So she asked him to show her the method for the inequality negative 2x minus 4 is greater than 8. Charlie showed Chloe the work below to solve negative 2x minus 4 is greater than 8. So negative 2x minus 4 is greater than 8. He did the addition property by adding 4 to both sides and came to negative 2x is greater than 12. He then did the division property of equality by dividing by negative 2 on both sides. X is greater than negative 6. When Chloe went back to check the solution by substituting a value for x back into the original inequality, she found that something was wrong. Confirm or disprove Chloe's conclusion by substituting values into x for the original inequality. Now this says x greater than negative 6. I like to always use numbers like 0, 1, 2 if those are possible. 0 is really one of those good numbers to work with because it either adds 0 or you multiply by 0. So those are easy, fun ways to work with. So I'm going to plug in x equals 0 because that number is greater than negative 6. So I'm going to do negative 2 times 0 minus 4 greater than 8. Well, negative 2 times 0 is 0. What's 0 minus 4? Negative 4. Is negative 4 greater than 8? No, it's not. So, we agree with Chloe that x is not greater than negative 6. In the next question, we will be looking at number 8. This is still in section 2 of this lesson. Section 2 says, question 8 prior to says, Chloe tried the problem again, but used a few different steps. This time she added 2x to both sides, got negative 4 is greater than 8 plus 2x. Then she subtracted 8 from both sides of the equation. Came down to negative 12 is greater than 2x. Lastly, she divides by 2 on both sides of the inequality and gets negative 6 is greater than x. Chloe concluded that means that x is less than negative 6. Is Chloe's conclusion correct? And explain. Well, the only way we can do this is to test it out. Let's try a number that is less than negative 6. Well, try x equal to negative 10. That's less than negative 6. Okay? So we're going to do negative 2 times negative 10 minus 4 greater than 8. What's negative 2 times negative 10? Positive 20. 20 minus 4 greater than 8. What's 20 minus 4? 16. Is 16 greater than 8? Yes, this is a true statement. So the question is Chloe correct? Chloe's inequality is true. Numbers that are indeed less than -6 work. Explain what Chloe did to solve the inequality. Well, Chloe added 2x to both sides. And what this did was it avoided having a negative coefficient. Which would require dividing by a negative number. Okay. Charlie looked back at his work. He said that he could fix his work by simply switching the inequality sign. What do you think about Charlie's plan, and explain? Yes, Charlie could switch the inequality sign when he divides both sides by a -2. Any inequality that involves multiplying or dividing by a negative number can be solved correctly by switching the inequality symbol at that point. On to your debriefing question.